In the last session, we discussed about the mechanical aspects of writing and the difficulties faced by dyslexic children. Remediation techniques were discussed to help the child overcome the difficulty. In this session, we are going to talk about the expressive aspects of writing. In this segment, we are going to discuss about the various components involved in the expressive writing. This would help the teacher understand the difficulties faced by a dyslexic child. Remediation techniques to enhance the expressive skills would be discussed in this segment. To begin with, let us probe what is expressive writing. Expressive writing is the communication of thoughts and ideas using words with proper syntax, vocabulary and language. In schools, children are asked to write essays, paragraphs, letters, etc. For this, they have to have their thoughts and that needs to be expressed using proper language with correct syntax and appropriate vocabulary. This is a sample writing by a child where the child expresses the thoughts and ideas in a proper structure. This is a sample writing by a dyslexic child. If you observe, the child has plenty of reversals and there are many mistakes in grammar. The flow of thoughts are not in place and the order in which the thoughts need to be written is also not there. The child has not followed a proper structure in expressing his thoughts and ideas. Now, we are going to talk about the various components of expressive writing. The first one is fluency. Fluency in writing means the way the words and phrases sound together in a sentence and when more sentences are read together one after other. Children with specific learning disability will have severe difficulties in fluency as they would not be able to bring about their thoughts and ideas in a cogent form. The next component of expressive writing is syntax. Syntax means grammar and punctuation. Children with specific learning disability have severe difficulties using the appropriate grammar and the correct punctuations when they write. The next component of writing is vocabulary. Children need to use age appropriate and class appropriate vocabulary when they are writing. For a 5th grader, the child is expected to write lion is a carnivorous animal, but children with specific learning disability will write lion is a wild animal. It means the child is not able to use the appropriate vocabulary in place. The next component of writing is structure. Structure means the way the thoughts and ideas are presented in order. Children with specific learning disability will have severe difficulties in putting their thoughts and ideas in a proper structure. The last component of writing is content. Content is the details which need to be written in a paragraph. The details which need to be presented has to be consistent and related to the topic. Children with specific learning disability or dyslexia will have severe difficulties where they will not be able to put their thoughts and ideas in a proper structure and the content would not be related to the topic. The difficulties that impact the writing of children with dyslexia are they are very good verbally and they do not want to put their thoughts and ideas in writing. Next, they are not able to use the proper punctuation and hence their writing suffers. The third thing is they find it extremely difficult and they have a dislike towards writing activities. It might be connected to their muscle development and hence they have developed the dislike. Children with dyslexia find it difficult to adhere to particular formats like essay writing, précis writing, paragraphs and letters. Hence, it impacts their expressive writing skills. These children have difficulties in expressing their thoughts and ideas in proper structure and sequence. Hence, their writing suffers. In this segment, we have discussed the different components which impact the expressive writing skills of dyslexic children. Our children have severe difficulties in one or more than one of these areas and hence find it very difficult to express their thoughts and ideas in proper form.